Que lo que, mi gente? Happy New Year. Hope everyone is having a great time. Hope you guys enjoy your holiday break with your family and loved ones. Today's episode is going to be kind of different. We're going to be collaborating with 2 photographers that are really close to me. They're my friends and they're fellow colleagues. Today's episode is going to be 3 photographers photographing the same model. We have to give credit where credit is due. The originator of this type of event was Jessica Kobeissi, and the link below you're going to see all the video that she has done with all the famous photographers, and make sure you check her out. Yeah, let's start introducing you guys the photographers. Here we go. So who are you?
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Franklin Miranzo. I'm a professional photographer, and today I'm going to be shooting with the Canon 5D Mark IV along with the Canon 300mm lens f2.8 IS2. So stay tuned, photos to come.
What's good, people? My name is Chomio. Today I'm actually shooting with the 5D Mark III and the 85mm Prime L Series 1.2. And I'm excited to start this project with Ramon and Franklin, and also our lovely model Michelle.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be shooting with the A7R III and the 2470 G Masters f2.8. Now we have to introduce to you today's model, and today's model is
Michelle. Who's applying this?
You know, gotta be ready, gotta be camera ready all the time.
So the 5-minute challenge starting on 4, 3, 2, 1, you go. Okay, Michelle, we're not really going to be doing a lot of running around, but what I want you to do is to give me different poses within the same setting and give me micro changes within each pose. So please go far away from me because this lens is pretty long, and I'll tell you where to stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Ready? Those things by the red, yeah, climb up. 3, 2, 1.
All right, follow me, Michelle.
See, stealing my ideas.
Yes.
Tell me where you're going. Three, 2, 1. Time's up.
Perfect. Thank you.
awesome. Hey guys, so we just did the first part, my look. How you guys feel?
I actually was really intense, for lack of a better word. It's just like 5 minutes to get your looks, and you're rushing in between, people getting in your shot, but you have to work with it.
How do you feel?
You know, I think this challenge is very New York, because the city is so chaotic. It's go, 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 roll with the punches, you know, manage your time as good as you can. And that's exactly what we did here. We were given 5 minutes, and no matter what happened, we had to keep shooting. And that's what we did.
No, I feel good because each of you guys have like a different take and look on how to really like, you know, position me and like guide me and tell me what to do. So I thought that was cool, even though I was running for everybody to catch the time, but really fun.
I think that overall it was a good experience. It's just gets you to work faster, so I enjoyed it and helps me get better, you know, move faster pace. So yeah, let's go to the next location, which is for Chomio. Woo!
All right, step out onto the street. Right there.
Hey guys, how you doing? So we just finished the second look already with Chomio. Right now we're heading to the last look with Franklin. We're right now in 2nd Avenue in New York City, and we're gonna go down the path. Here we go. Boom. So we're currently on 2nd Avenue, and we're gonna do the last look, which is Franklin's look. We're looking forward to it.
Just you wait.
Yeah. You ready?
Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Yo, micro changes. Work it, girl, work it.
Alright, gonna stand right there.
Oh, cheating, that was my idea.
And you're gonna do the same thing. 3, 2, 1.
That was for real. This is sick.
Which one?
I don't like
And
it.
that was like the last one.
I don't like it, guys.
So how you guys feel?
It's been a fantastic challenge. It's absolutely cold outside, but we made it work somehow. Michelle did phenomenal despite not wearing much and being super cold. So just stay tuned because the photos are coming.
Honestly, this was really good because most photo shoots are pretty much under your control, but given under the time constriction of 5 minutes and get your look done and done and done, it was nice. It was really good, and Michelle really pulled it off. She did everything she could to pull it in the cold, with her toes open and everything. But she did good. I love it. This was fun. This was really
How
fun.
do you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel really good with everybody's work, how everyone kind of worked together, right? Because it's kind of rare seeing like 3 New York photographers almost in the same scene working together. So I thought that was super cool. I want to thank all of you guys for working with me and each other, and I had a blast, and I can't wait to see the photos.
Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Remember that I was not the originator of this type of photography competition. It was Jessica Kobeissi. Make sure you go click on the links below for you can check her out. Again, I'm so thankful for both photographer and model for being part of this, and stay tuned for more. Boom, here we go.